Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer for those of you who do not already know. So why don't you just go ahead, hit that subscribe button right down there and give this video a thumbs up. Today I have my Boxycharm Premium unboxing, which is $35 a month for those of you who do not know. This is my first ever premium box. I've been getting the base box for like a year and a half. I love the base box, and we're just gonna go ahead and see what's inside. So this is what the box looks like. Got the box 51. So the first thing that I see is the Levito Age Away Replenishing Cream, and this is, I actually really like this brand right here. I have a face mask and an exfoliant from this brand that I actually really do like, but on the thing right here, it says this anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough textures while it deeply nourishes mature skin. It has a retail value for $69, but Boxycharm, if I tell you I'm a 19-year-old girl who has dryness, acne, and that's it, I do not got mature skin. But anyway, this is either going to go to someone in my family, or I might just save it for a giveaway. Okay, this is from IGK. This is the Good Behavior Smoothing Spray, 24-hour frizz control. I need that, and a 450 heat protectant spray. So I've only heard good things about the IGK brand, and I really want to try it, but I don't really do anything to my hair, so this was nice getting this in the box. And this retails for $32. This is a glass bottle. This is the M Green Grass Beach Air Dry Oil Spray. So it looks like this, you guys. This says, this fast absorbing dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly deliver superior moisture, leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. Multi-use for body, face, and hair. So you can use this like on your skin. You just spray it on there and rub it in. And you spray it in your hand if you're going to put it on your hair. And then you also spray it in your hand if you're going to put it on your face. I don't know if I'm going to put this on my face just because my skin is so sensitive. I don't want to risk breaking out, because this has a fragrance that is beach air, and I don't want none of that. So I'll probably try it in my hair and on my body, but other than that, I'm probably just not even going to try. Like I said, I might not even try this, and I might save this for a giveaway. This is the Peach and Lily The Good Acids Pore Toner. And this helps loosen dead skin cells so they can fall away, which helps maintain clean pores. Has eggplant and turmeric extracts, smooth and nourishes. Discover any easy way to radiance. Okay, but anyway, this is just the Good Acid Pore Toner, gently exfoliate plus balance. I will give this a try. I've never used toner, and honestly, I don't know exactly how to use it or anything. I don't know if you put it on before or after your makeup. So, and I'm sorry if the lighting's kind of bad. It is literally 12 a.m. right now, and I'm filming. And I'm tired also, but I really want this video up for you guys, and I didn't have any other time really to do it, and I don't have any makeup on or anything, so yeah. Okay, and then I got two more products. So I have this nude Oh wait, I forgot to tell you how much this retailed for. This retailed for $39, and the beach that spray thing retailed for $36. And this is the Nude Stick Magnetic Lip Plush Paint in the shade Waikiki Rose. And this retails for $28, which this is what the applicator looks like. And this is actually a really pretty shade. It's definitely a shade your girl will wear. It's just really pretty. Like, these are my type of shades that I like to wear. Okay, and the last thing in here is a makeup palette, which I am super excited for. Not gonna lie, no shade, no tea. I really wanted the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette, but it's okay. So, Box LA Cover Shot Eyeshadow Palette. And this is actually really pretty too. The only thing I seen that was kind of bad is that they're messy, which I do my eyeshadow first, y'all already know. And then also, ooh, y'all look at this. The pans are really small. That's so pretty. And then it also comes with a gel eyeliner that looks like this right here. And then there are some really pretty shades in here, which I've already, okay, let me do this. Which I've already swatched for you guys. So, I like how there's kind of like your cool, your neutrals, your warm, and then your pops of color. I mean, I think it's a very versatile palette, but I'm just going to swatch some shades. Oh, they have names on them. Okay, cool. Swatch this gold, this red. Ooh, that one feels really buttery. Shimmer. And this gray. Okay, this is what they look like on there. And then I'm going to put them right here. Ooh. Can't really see that one. Oh my goodness, that one's pretty. Okay, you guys. So there's this one. There's more of this gold shade. This is more like a champagne. This brown. Well, no, that's like a, I don't know, a pretty shade. And then a more like a rose gold color right here, which is really pretty. So that is all for my Boxycharm Premium unboxing. It's not my favorite so far, but I'm just picky. Like, I really just get the subscription box so I could have like maybe one skincare and the rest makeup. But I have products, but I mean, I guess, I don't know. I'm going to keep it for a couple more months, and if it doesn't get any better than 2 makeup products, then I'm probably going to cancel it. And don't get me wrong, like, all of this for $35, yes, that's an awesome deal, for real. But I just don't feel like I need a lot of skincare and anything. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, because y'all don't know how hard it was for me to try to stay awake just to film this. So I'll see you guys in my next video.